Listening Comprehension, London Sights. Welcome to London. It is the capital city of England. It is a very large city with over 8 million people. London is famous for its long history, different cultures, and well-known landmarks. Many tourists visit London every year to see its sights. One of the most famous sights in London is Big Ben. Big Ben is the name of the big clock inside a tall tower. The tower is part of the Houses of Parliament, where the UK government works. Big Ben has been a symbol of London since it was built in 1859. Next up, there's the Tower of London. It is a historic castle by the River Thames. It has been many things over the years, like a palace, a fortress, and a prison. Many kings and queens lived there. Today, visitors can see the crown jewels, which are the royal treasures, and learn about the interesting stories of the people who were held there. The next site is the Buckingham Palace, where the King of England resides. The palace has over 700 rooms and is very important for British royal life. People can watch the changing of the guard ceremony, where soldiers in special uniforms march and change shifts. This ceremony happens every day in the summer and every other day in the winter, and many tourists come to see it. Our next site is the London Eye. It is a giant Ferris wheel that is 135 meters tall. It opened in 2000 and has become one of London's most popular attractions. The London Eye gives amazing views of the city from its glass capsules. On a clear day, you can see far and wide, making it a great place for photos and enjoying the beauty of London from above. Have you ever heard of Covent Garden? It is a lively area full of shops, restaurants, and street performers. It used to be a fruit and vegetable market, but now it is a fun place for both locals and tourists. Visitors can enjoy live music, watch talented performers, and explore stores. Finally, we have the River Thames, which flows through London. You can take a boat ride on the Thames to see famous sights like the Tower Bridge and the London Eye from the water. It is a wonderful way to experience the city and learn more about its history while enjoying beautiful views. That's it about London. Follow the link in the description or scan the QR code to do a free test on this listening. Good luck.